Hi, today I am going to explain about bent COWL. This is a plastic component. So this is a simple component. So I am going to show you how to create this component. Let's start now. So I've taken a new Solidworks part file, select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one center line, draw one horizontal line, so this is 25. This is 6. Draw one inclined line. Angle is 70. So height is 20. So I am going to apply fillet at this corner, that is 3 mm, and this corner. Say OK. Join these 2 points. So I am going to create in surface. So we have to leave as a open loop. So go to surface module, select revolve feature and say OK. See here we can use thicken option in the surface module. Click this surface and thickness is 0.5. So we can flip the direction. See, and say OK. See, we have to make this as a construction. It is not a closed loop. This is just for reference. See here. Now select the front plane. Draw a construction line vertically and draw one midpoint line. And here one more midpoint line. See, make this vertical horizontal. And join these 2 endpoints. Similarly the other side. So now we have to make these two lines equal. This is important. So this is 8. This is 2. This is 4. This is 8. So here we can assign angle. So this is 3 degrees. So based on the requirement, either we can assign this angle, sorry, this is 14. So we can make it as a driven, and we can uncheck this driven, and we can modify this. This is 15. And we have to apply fillets at this corner, that is 0.5. So select all 4 corners. Now come out of this edge, and we can select the extruded cut. See, through all both sides. See here. Now create a circular pattern. Select the temporary axis and select this cut extrude. See here, I am going to take 12 instances and say OK. So this is the simple component. And we can check the uniform thickness. See, we have to go to evaluate thickness analysis, and I've taken 0.5 as thickness and simply click here. See here. If thickness is not uniform, it will show this kind of red color. So since we can see the thickness is around 0.5, hardly we see the thickness of 1 mm. So this is how we evaluate thickness analysis for plastic components. Thanks for watching.